me know. Merging northbound Palomino
Putting
Freeway.
spikes down. They're down. They're spiked. They're spiked.
Good shit. And we can get them pushing a tree or the guardrail or something. Push up against us. Ah, damn it.
Their position right here. All right, no one move. No one move your car.
Oh, what the fuck?
Out on foot. Out on foot. Where'd he go?
Suspect's tackled in front of my vehicle.
I see you. Okay.
He's going, trying to steal a car. Sir, this is a lawful order. Do not attempt to get into any vehicle.
I'm gonna tase you. My
Surrender.
car's still locked, man. Still, you're gonna get tased.
Individuals heading eastbound along the train tracks. Being placed in cuffs. Resisted. Just continuing eastbound down towards the windmill. Turbine, rather. I'm gonna move from in front of the car, and then he's probably gonna run back. Exactly what's happening.
Now you are.
No, I'm not.
Real, not fake.
All right, I'm blocking the car again.
We got him.
195.
A firm. I will take him happily.
I copy.
Oh lord.
I'll cut my silencer, I guess.
All right, how you feeling?
Nice.
Nah, I'm doing good.
All right. Well, at this point in time, you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can be used against you in the court of law. You do have the right to an attorney during any and all questioning, and if you can't afford one to be provided by the state if available. You understand these rights as I read them to you today?
Yeah.
Perfect. I am going to go ahead and take the mask off here just a moment. Here we are. And I am going to search your person. Is there anything that's going to poke, stab, stick, or prod me?
Shouldn't be.
Okay, let me take a look here. There shouldn't be.
Oh,
Sir.
no, I can't remember.
You have a knife.
Oh, my bad.
Jesus. Okay. For the time being, I am going to be grabbing onto the knife. Okay.
Medical?
He said he was okay. Here we are. I'm going to be grabbing onto some of this money in addition to the money orders. Is there anything in these notebooks I should be concerned about?
Don't read that. If you read it, you have to agree to terms.
Agree to what terms?
The terms in the book.
Being disappointed?
Yeah.
I permitted the incident to
Here we
I permitted the
are.
report to an incident.
Are you agreeing to the terms?
No, I'm not
I mean, you're
agreeing
reading
to
it.
terms.
Well, you're reading it, so you have to agree to terms, man.
No, no, no.
What are the terms? What did the book say?
If you read this, you will regret it.
Yeah.
Right.
Stop,
the
you can
opposed
go
was
back.
documented
This is
in
your
the
last
Yeah.
warning.
Yeah.
I'm kind of afraid. Oh. Yeah. You know what?
What?
I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. You know what? You can have them back. Here we are. Actually, you know what? I should just toss it in the incinerator.
No.
The fuck was in that book?
Nothing.
Oh, let him read it.
No, no, no. I mean, if he wants to, he can. It's his choice. All right. What's your full legal name?
I gotta read
Ashley
it.
Marshall.
Ashley Marshall.
Yeah. Rhodes,
Ashley, do you know your state
here
ID?
anymore? We have the club in the incident.
No.
Negative.
Which note?
Negative.
Which notebook?
Alright, copy
is it?
that.
There's two of them.
I believe it's the one to the right, but I could be wrong.
Dispatch 804 transitioning back to channel 1.
All right.
I grabbed the blank one. Oh wait, no, I didn't.
Gonna look over you here.
What the?
All right. You sure you don't need medical?
I'm pretty good.
Pretty good? Okay.
I'm actually kind of disappointed.
Yeah, see, it's not just me.
So can I go?
No, you can't go.
What the?
Why? What did I do?
Well, you
said I was free
fled.
to go.
No, that's not how that happened. Okay, you're lacking a lot of context here.
No.
Yes.
You're lacking.
No.
You're lacking. You
No,
said I'm
I
free
even
to
gave
go,
you a
so I
lawful
just-
order not to get back into that car, and you still
Oh,
did.
I didn't hear that. I thought you guys were just following me because like you were my fan club and shit.
He
you
said
feel?
it. He said it on the megaphone.
Yeah.
Huh? What did he
He
say?
said it on the megaphone.
Oh, I didn't hear him. I had my music blasting.
Ooh.
You weren't even in the car yet.
Yeah, I've got AirPods.
Okay, but you heard me before.
Huh?
Yeah, apparently you heard when I said you were free to go.
So
Like,
Yeah, I'm
place
free to
into the
go.
vehicle here.
All right.
Or watch your head. Have you ever been arrested before?
No.
First time for everything. Let's see. Okay, that is personally owned. That's this individual.
Yeah, that's my car.
Alright.
I'm waiting for a tow truck to get here.
Thank you.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
What happens
130
now?
76 Mission Row 195. Well, your
Is that
vehicle
just
gets
like-
impounded.
It's like,
Thank you.
Just is it points or is it just?
So the only points that there are come with violent felonies.
Yeah,
Now,
me no violent. Me just run.
if you had ran an officer over, if you had struck a civilian and fled,
No, I didn't do any of that.
then you would be looking at a VAF point, which is you're allowed 3
Yeah,
points.
that's
Follow
kind,
the
do they
vehicle.
fall off, or?
They never fall off, and they follow the vehicle.
That's kind of crazy.
You say that, but the reality here is, if you have 2 strikes, you try to, sell it to someone, its value is heavily diminished on the basis that one more strike and it gets seized by the state and auctioned off.
I understand that, but like, I think they should fall off with a time period because let's be honest, sometimes you get them for like.
Sir,
dumb shit, you feel?
respectfully, I might have to disagree with you, okay? There's no way I can sit here and respect a highway blaster. No chance.
What do you mean highway blaster? I weren't blasting on no highway. I was just driving.
Uh-huh. Yeah, okay. Sure.
But I could
If you
have been
say
ratty.
so.
See, I
If you
ain't no
say
rat.
so. If you say so.
It could have been worse, man. I could have gotten a motorbike.
I mean, I'm be real. We have ways of dealing with them.
I honestly wasn't expecting spikes that way. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah, well, I was ready.
Yeah, but how do you know I was gonna turn right and not left?
You have to take your chances. Remember when I said you were highway blasting? The moment I heard that, I knew that the likelihood of you heading back towards the city when everything up north is less populated, the likelihood of running into a lot of people on the
You know
road
the
up
crazy
north
thing?
is pretty
I
slim.
actually took the wrong turn. I was meant to go left.
Damn. Well,
Yeah.
here we are. All right, I'm gonna get you out of the back seat here. Watch your head. Ashley, have you been arrested before?
No, you asked that a minute ago, man. You must have memory loss.
Nah, I'm verifying.
Just like your memory loss of when you saying I was free to go.
No, I didn't forget that. I did state that, and that was regarding the stolen car. And then additional information
Stolen?
came up. Yeah.
I didn't steal nothing.
Okay, sure. Maybe you can explain what happened.
I was given the car.
By who?
Jimmy.
Who's Jimmy?
Oh, fucking knows. I'm dodgy looking fella.
You were given a car by a dodgy fella.
Yeah.
Okay, where'd you get these money orders from?
I went to the store,
Uh-huh.
and then guess what? Oh. Hello?
Don't worry.
Oh, there we go.
Here we are. You went to the store and what?
I found him on the floor.
Really? I don't believe you.
Why not?
I'm gonna search it one more time because the math ain't mathin'.
What do you mean the math ain't mathing? I found him on the floor. You find shit on the floor everywhere, no?
No, not money orders for $3,000.
What's the money order?
So you know exactly what it is
Oh, no, it's just a bit of paper I
because
picked
you've
up.
already cashed one in.
What do you mean I already cashed one in?
Yeah, you already cashed one in. Don't play dumb.
Cashed what in?
You know exactly what I'm talking about.
I really don't.
Well, maybe we can just agree to disagree.
Cashed one in. One of what?
One of the money orders.
How do I cash it in?
You tell me you're the one who did it.
Oh, no, I ain't done nothing.
You ain't done nothing? Don't lie. Come
No.
on.
Oh, my bad.
Come on. All right. I don't have any reason to believe that this knife was used in the commission of a crime, so I'm going to return it to your person.
I
Just
appreciate
a
you.
moment. There we are. Do you need me to hold on to your food while the remainder of your possessions are seized? Like, are you hungry right
Yeah,
now?
I need to keep my food if possible.
Well, okay. So
Or do
you
I get
would
it back when I'm
you
up
would
there,
get this
you know?
back once you're released from prison. So my question is, would you prefer to eat it now?
Is there prison food?
I'm going to assume so.
I should hope so. If not, that's that's a human right. At least a piece of bread a day.
You do know that, like, you practically have no rights up in prison?
Huh?
Yeah. Bobby
Nah,
Charles and
they gotta feed you.
Okay. You need to brush up on legislation. They can
Why?
shoot you, and legally there's nothing we can do.
What the
You
fuck?
look at them the wrong way, they can you don't even have to look at them the wrong way. If they decide they don't like you, they can do whatever they want.
Who the fuck's running that shit show?
Bobby Charles and Carmine Costello,
And who thought that was a good idea?
the council.
Explains everything.
Yeah. So do you want me to give this food to you while you're still in the cell here, or do you think you're good until you get released from prison?
I should be good.
All right. If that's the case, I'm going to seize these possessions, be placed in a bag, handed off to DOC, and returned to your person upon your release from prison. All right. Search you. Make sure you ain't got nothing left on you. We're good. And I'm going to remove the shackles here. Then I'm going to exit the cell. I'll have you face away, and I'll get the cuffs off.
So how do I hand this money order
Alright,
thing over in future if I ever find one?
197, same traffic.
One second. 130, same traffic. Repeat that.
How do I hand them money orders over if I ever find one again?
Oh, it's very simple. You can contact the police and let us know you're in possession, and then we can go ahead and grab them
Dispatch
from you.
197, back channel 1.
And do I get paid?
Get paid? You don't go to jail. You know you wouldn't have gone to jail, right? I would have searched you, I would have taken it, and we would have been, we would have gone our separate ways. Also, can you face away from me? I'll get the cuffs off.
Hey, all good.
Here we are. All right. So, although I suspect you're not lying, and I do believe you to be Ashley, I do need to fingerprint you. I'm not familiar with you.
Oh no.
So right at the bottom of the display, you see a little circle, the fingerprint scanner, right there. So if you put your index finger on it and hold it still.
Oh, on your phone?
Yeah, right there. Yep, just hold
There you go.
it, and we're good. There we are. All right, let's take a look. Doop doo doop doo doo.
Special 197,
Mr.
Lincoln Mirror
Marshall.
Park.
Yeah.
You really have no priors? Let me take a look.
Oh, I have one. What was a bullshit one from Den?
Oh, what was it for? What'd you do or not do?
Well, some motherfucker at Senior Buns, right? They come out from behind the fucking counter and went to hit me with a wrench. So as he turned around, I hit him with a wrench. So it's self-defense.
I mean, it sounds like
Like,
self-defense.
he was actively trying to, and he didn't really care. He didn't take my statement really. He didn't listen to me, and he just goes, "I'm giving you a fine, and that's that," and then let me go.
Is that actually what happened, or were you
Oh, that's
being
100%
intentionally
what happened.
obtuse and not, kind of like this situation?
No, that's 110% what happened. Because I was gonna take it to court, but I even had like a doctor's note and shit, so they could, explain what like the doctor
197
could
from dispatch.
verify that I'd been hit.
Send it for
Got it.
197.
Okay. Give me one
You
second.
talked to that guy who keeps using binoculars with the crow
I
mask
was
or
gonna take
whatever
it
it is.
court and
and
shit, but I think the time ran out by the time I could, they only
orange
last so many
pants, right?
days, don't you, before you can
Hey,
take
firm,
shit
I
to
warned
court.
him very clearly that
Take
if
a
he
look.
continued to do so, that he would be charged with
Dirty
harassment.
money.
Oh, well, he was on the bridge doing it again, so.
I'm refueling right now, Mirror Park. I'll make my way down there once I'm done.
Do 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 do. All right,
Copy.
just a moment. I want to take a look. And oh, money laundering. Is that it? Incidents. Money laundering.
So how long am I looking at?
It's gonna depend. Give me a second.
171 status.
I'm Ocean King. It's people playing dumb fuck shit. Can I get EMS, please, to Senior Bun?
You even took my book.
Lima 2376.
It's all been placed in a bag. You can retrieve it once you get out of prison.
Okay.
All right. So, as it currently stands, you're looking at a fair bit of charges here.
Oh shit.
19776 MRPD.
You're looking at money laundering, possession of dirty money in the second degree, reckless
Whoa.
evading.
Dirty money. That looked pretty clean money to me.
I might give you that.
It smelled of detergent, but it was still clean.
Money should not smell like detergent.
Oh.
I'll give you
Does it not
that.
smell like that when it's made?
No, not at all.
Oh shit.
So money laundering, reckless evading, resisting arrest, joyriding, and tampering.
Tampering?
Yes, sir. So for context, a lot of people go, well, isn't that the same charge as joyriding? No. You can technically steal a car without tampering
I
with
didn't
it.
steal it. I got the keys.
17 have
Well, the
a,
issue is that the vehicle
suspect
was
complaint,
tampered
stand
with.
by.
But not by me.
Okay, but you are in possession of it.
MRPD suspect
I was
is
in
shirtless,
possession of some
wearing
keys.
orange pants and a crow mask. It's just harassment. But
Well, let me
he's
ask you
been
this.
stalking and creeping on
Are you willing to plead guilty, or is that off the
currently
table?
westbound Vespucci.
Depends.
Well, I mean, I'd be willing to drop tampering in
Running
exchange
to
for a
Memorial
guilty
Park
plea to the
westbound.
remainder of the charges.
How much is tampering?
Being
what's
westbound
the
in Memorial
difference?
Park.
Tampering
Over
is 5 months, $300 fine.
Stand by. You're just jumping back and forth.
Hey, I'll fuck it.
Continuing westbound through Memorial Park.
See, when you say fuck it, I don't know what
He's
that
already
means.
resisted cuffs once, so clear for
Yeah, I
taser.
plead guilty.
All right.
804's got you
Let's
legal.
see, let me remove that.
Continuing northbound Center Street.
All right. So with the dropping of that charge, in addition to the prior one you brought up, prior to any sort of time reduction, it's 46 months and a $3,651 fine. Mo-
3,000.
Yep. Most of that stems from the reckless evading, which is $1,700, and the money laundering, which is $1,413.
$195.
All right.
And then resisting is $238. Joyriding is $300, but it also adds 3 points to your license. For context, you're
Whoa.
allowed up to 19 points once you exceed 19. So the moment you hit 20, your license is suspended. It becomes a misdemeanor for you
Right.
to drive. So it's pretty much perceived as you have a warrant out for your arrest if you're driving a vehicle.
But you don't go to jail for a misdemeanor, right?
You do. Misdemeanors are jailable offenses. Felonies are also jailable offenses, except they're for extended periods of time. And then there's a different category of violent felonies. That brings us into the category of those VAF points that we were discussing earlier.
Do the driving license points fall off or not?
They do fall off 30 days after they're issued.
30 days, okay. So I got 3 of them.
That is correct. You had 0 beforehand, so
Yeah.
in the grand scheme of things, it's not looking too bad.
197 from dispatch.
Send it
Here
for
we
197.
are.
Do you
And
need
then
anything
say
from
that
me
I do
before I go
lose my
pass out?
license, how do I get it back?
I'll definitely need
You would have to wait for the points to fall under
Okay.
20. But it also depends on the status of your license. If it is suspended, which means you've hit 20 points or above,
Yup.
and an officer doesn't revoke it, you just have to wait until you're under 20. If
Right.
it gets revoked, the only way to get it back is to speak to, I'm not sure if the judge or a county clerk, once your points are below
Okay.
20. So there's an
Okay, I got
additional
you.
step if it's actually revoked.
Okay, theoretically saying that I
Mhm.
didn't have a license and right, it's just a misdemeanor and I keep on driving. Do I also get extra points added for that or
Um, so yes. So let's
okay, so
say,
like
so
in
let's
theory
say
I can go all the way
you,
up.
yeah, it keeps climbing. There's no cap. So,
Okay.
in addition, you get operating a motor vehicle on a suspended and revoked license, which is 3 points. Let's say
Yep, plus 3
you
extra
recklessly
points.
drive because you don't want to get caught. You're now at 6 points for the single instance.
Okay.
Let's say you don't even have an ID on your person. That's an additional 2 points. You'd be up to 8 in like one instance. There's a lot to consider.
That is crazy.
Yeah. And again, there's no driving school or anything to help with the dropping of points. So, the longer you continue doing silly things with the vehicle,
I didn't do nothing silly.
don't lie. That's BS, and you know it.
No.
Yes.
Is there phones in jail?
There is a payphone in visitation.
Ooh.
Yes.
Does that Oh no, because that's on my SIM card, isn't it?
Is
I
there
was
a
about to say, does
number
it
you want me to see if there's on the yellow pages? Or the
no.
lemon list, rather?
Is there any chance I could have my phone back so I can just jot? Oh no, I don't have my notepad either.
Unfortunately, not.
Do I have like one?
If you
phone
want,
call?
I
I'm allowed
can.
one phone call, right?
No, that's, believe it or not, that's a movie thing. That's not an actual thing. If you would like, listen, I get what you're trying to do, okay? I know the reality here is I've been doing this long enough, okay? You want to get in contact with someone for a ride.
Yeah, when I'm not.
But you don't want me to know who that is. So if you would like, I can
Sort of, yeah.
twat out that you are being sent off for X amount of months, and you're looking for a ride, and hopefully whoever you are looking to have pick you up notices.
No, don't worry about it. I'll be good.
Okay.
Appreciate you.
Not a problem. So I'm gonna get you billed here in the amount of $3,651.
All right, sounds good.
There we are. I also have to take your mugshot.
Oh no.
Yep.
I'm gonna return
a
your
moment.
wrench to you.
Yeah.
And I will be seizing.
All right, come over here.
I could have been wearing a better outfit. You could have told me.
ID off of you since it is
You
Where's
need me
the
against a
lighting?
white wall. I'll stand near the white wall. So it's
No,
nice
no, no,
background if you
no, no.
want.
Not too far back. Go like halfway
No,
towards
like,
the wall
I
and then
mean,
turn
so the
around.
bars aren't in the way.
I can.
Or you can come
Don't
in
worry.
here.
I
It's like,
can.
I
No, I
want a
can do it
better-
between the
I want a better
bars.
picture.
Okay. The lighting in this cell is kind of rough. Stand under that light over there.
This person's ID back.
This one over here.
Mm, mm,
when it was with my belongings.
Do I
that's
look
not
good?
too bad. Hmm.
Yeah, so you're not gonna be getting that back.
No, no, no. We'll just take you into the mugshot room. Here, go ahead and approach the bars. I'll get you placed in cuffs, but I won't shackle you.
I promise I won't run.
Here we are. I know, but it's formality. We still have to get you in cuffs. All right,
Okay.
this way.
I don't even know the fucking layout of this place. First time I've ever been here.
You'll be able to
First
retrieve
time
I'll
for
be running
everything.
around it- I'll be running around like a rat in a trap.
Oh my gosh. All right, right through here, and it's going to be the first door to the right.
This one?
Yep. Then I'll have you stand right up against the wall.
Hey, this is lying.
How tall are you?
I ain't 5 foot, that's for sure.
All right, we'll get closer to the wall. How tall are you?
Nah, I'm at least 6 foot.
Okay.
Who
Just a
stuck this up?
I don't know. Wasn't me. Just a moment.
This needs to be recalibrated.
Here we are. All right, just a moment.
How tall are you?
5'10".
Oh. You sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
I mean, it's like, you should be like, when you stand next to this, you'll be like, looking like 5 foot.
Listen, I'm a good photographer, okay?
Right, you better make me look at 6 foot tall, you feel?
You know what? I don't like to show people's flaws, so I won't even put the number next to your height.
Yeah, I'm 6 foot.
Listen, you have a good mugshot. Like I said,
do.
I'm a photographer.
Do I look cute?
Are your eyes always like that?
Yeah. I've seen a lot of shit, you feel?
You know, it is what it is, I guess. Let's see here. What was the time I had originally stated?
I can't remember. All I remember is you said I was free to go.
Shut up. All right, because you pled guilty, I'm gonna drop it down to. I'm gonna do 15 months. So beyond that, do you have any comments, questions, or concerns?
I'm free to go, right?
Absolutely free to go straight to prison. I'm gonna
Ah,
make sure before they scoop you up, you're no longer in cuffs.
yeah.
Any comments, questions, or concerns?
No, I'm good.
All
Appreciate
right,
you.
stay safe. But don't run from the police anymore. Running's bad.
No, it's not.
I mean, if you say so. All right, good luck. What happened here? Chat, I need to pee and grab a drink, so. Units. Roads and 7. All right, chat, I'll be right back. Actually, let me put music on in the meantime. Doo, doo, doo. I'm back. Hello.
Yo,
What up?
I'm cleaning up the mess that's here if it's not needed.
I don't think it is. I came in and it was here, and I don't know how or why.
Well, you know, America.
Not wrong. You're not wrong.
I am dead tired. I should be asleep. I'm shift 2, Rhodes. I'm shift 2.
Then go to sleep.
There was an interview.
Oh.
Fun stuff.
I mean, I can't think any problem with this.
Well, I'll let you know if you do continue to do so. I'm gonna make a note on your profile. You know, you have been arrested for it now. You are going to be charged for harassment.
Polar opposites? Really? I'm sorry. We don't listen to Lord often. Report time. 51:52. Whoops. Uh, draw any direct involvement. I need to just not have my keyboard at a fucking 45-degree angle when I'm typing. Oh gosh. Hmm. can't fucking type. Plenty of orders. Hmm. Right, screenshots. We're good. I think that's our first money order capture on accident.
Can we get some help at Senior Buns? There's an injured person on the ground.
Another one. Okay. Lima 2376, your location.
For whatever reason, this is not. So, refuel and then grab our car. I don't know about that. Actually, let me check the impound. Let me check the app. Impound. 130 radio check. Currently refueling my vehicle Lil Soul. I'm then returning it to Mission Row. Can I get an officer to bring me over to the impound lot to retrieve my vehicle?
Uh, 171 on route.
We looked. There was nobody in cadet queue. An hour ago.
Dispatch 197 1042. You guys have a good night.
Have a good
Thank
night,
you for your
mate. 4.
service.
No.
Monday, where did you leave me?
No. Reverse. And get in line. Thank you. 130-76 Mission Row.
Seven 176 Mission Road.
Lord Concert you went to in
Dummy, you and me,
2018.
metaphor.
It's crazy because I haven't listened to Lord in so long.
Lane 23, 20.8.
Hell yeah. Ah! Oh, I'm fine.
Oh?
I'm fine. What is happening? What is...
Okay.
No, we're...
Okay.
Is this thing safe?
Okay,
Is this
hold on.
thing
Let me get on the back. I'll get on the back.
Have you only ever had somebody on there that you've put on there?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe that's why. This is fine. This
Yeah,
is
I think
fine.
only civilians.
Wait, really?
I don't know because I had a flop on it yesterday. It's so good.
Oh my gosh.
I had a ride along all most of this morning at Saul Leisman.
Oh, how'd that go?
Oh, it was wonderful. He's a hopeful.
Is he promising?
Yes, he used to work here a long time ago. He knows his case laws. I explained
good.
RAS, and he said that's fucking dumb. And I said, hell yeah, brother. But if anyone asks,
I mean, literally
articulate
nothing has
suspicion.
changed. It's just the additional word is so that there's no excuse behind somebody not being able to justify
Yeah.
why.
Yeah, it's just one of those it's disappointing that we've had to have it added.
Oh yeah, 100%. It's actually becoming something increasingly more common everywhere. Yeah, more and more people are referring to it as reasonable or articulable suspicion rather than just, RS.
I get it,
Yeah.
but it's just like a gosh darn.
Maybe it stemmed from attorneys being like, well, what was your reasonable art? You know what I mean? Like, if you can't tell me why, you can't articulate it, then it's not reasonable, is it? Maybe that's how it happened.
They look like a sussy backer.
I hope I can get this thing out. Here we are. Oh, I should probably see if someone can help me. Oh. Hello.
Hey, what's up, officer in the law?
Oh, just minding my business. Is anyone able to help me with an impound?
Oh, sure, man. I got you. What you need?
Perfect. Well, I need to get a car released.
Oh, hell yeah. How can I help you with that?
So in here, I have a police vehicle that I had to get towed because it had gone through a traumatic explosive experience.
Thank you.
right
The money.
here.
All right. I should be on the other side of this.
My state ID is 1303.
Yep. You said it was impounded?
That is correct, yes.
And your ID?
1303.
1303.
Give me a senior bond.
Alternatively, if you were to search by...
I can only see the police. There's only one police cruiser.
Yeah, that's the one.
UP4Q. Is that a...
Yep, that's it.
Alrighty.
Oh my god.
Hey, what's up? That's my best friend, Daniel.
Oh, hey, Daniel.
Hey, actually, this guy's, aren't you wanted for a race there, mate?
No, hey, what's your ID again?
1303.
There you go. Send it over.
Here we are, and it has been paid for.
Yep, just got it.
What?
All right.
What, you what? I couldn't hear you.
I love
What'd
you.
say?
I love you.
What'd you say?
You're just going to have to make sure you release it.
Yep.
Perfect.
Did you get it?
I couldn't quite hear what you said.
Oh, it's outside.
What'd you say?
Perfect. Left or right?
No idea.
Oh, I'm going to assume left.
No, I think he's asking if you want his left or his right.
No.
No.
There it is.
You want the
There
left,
it
right,
is.
good night?
Good as new.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
good as new. That's what they say.
This guy.
Oh.
Hey, that's a really nice bicycle.
Yeah.
I bet the person who rides that is a really cool person.
Oh, well, see you later, mate.
Hey, Graves, what do you mean it's this guy? Is that a bad thing?
Hey, sir, next time you pull shit like that, you're lucky I didn't put a bullet in your chest.
I want to press charges. He hit me.
No,
Oh.
I didn't.
Oh my god, what happened, bro?
Dude, I'm gonna kill you, Billy.
Oop. Have you ever had your car wedged between something and it suddenly begins to vibrate and you can't move it?
You know, I don't own a car here, but one time, a long time ago, at my old station, I let this officer by the name of PP. I didn't let him take my car. He used to just take my car out, and it always came back looking like this. Every single fucking time.
So for context, my car had been hit by a civilian. It then flipped upside down. Sky, while making a U-turn, hit it, and then it was like upside down, wedged between a wall and a pole, making an incredibly atrocious sound while vibrating, while smoking, and sparks were flying. And so I walked away from it and watched as it set on fire and blew up. That's why I had it towed. All right, let me make sure. All right, I'm gonna go park this at Mission Row so I don't forget. Graves, thank you for the assistance. 13076 Mission Row. Cool guys walk away from explosions. You mean like Horatio from CSI Miami? And he would do it while taking his sunglasses off? Or actually it'd be like insert word, doesn't finish the statement or the phrase, takes glasses off, finishes word, explosion.
They have warned the people down at the tow yard to get some high vis on.
Oh, I actually need to park outside.
So if you want to drip them, they have been warned.
873 is available.
Is there an emote like that?
911.
XD is.
All right, we're gonna go grab. More chips. Oh, morning. Oh shit, we gotta go this way.
Lima 2323.
Hmm. Just went exactly how you described. Okay, that needs to be added ASAP. 1:30, 10:08. Ooh. 1:30 will be refueling at Mirror Park, and then 76 to the Del Perro Great Ocean gas station to spot check grime trucks for compliance. Hmm. Don't talk about that. That didn't happen. Hello.
Hello, hello.
How
How's
you
your day
doing?
been?
It's not bad, actually.
That's good. That's good. You know, hopefully it's not, too crazy, but enough to keep you busy, you know? Don't want you bored, you
Yeah,
know?
listen, there ain't ever a day where I ain't busy,
Yeah, I
because
was
if
gonna
I ain't
say,
busy, I make myself busy. There's always enough.
exactly. There's always something going on in the city. Keep yourself busy for sure.
Not wrong.
Especially the city.
But look at those people speeding over there. Oh my gosh.
Exactly.
Off I go.
Yeah,
Stay
have a good one.
safe.
Stay safe.
Where the fuck did they go? Hmm.
Responding to the latest sales of 911.
128. I got a Forte out of ICU. A-OK, and then route Mission Road to get back to work.
Hey, firm.
Straight out of ICU into work. And the doctor recommended against it. Oh, yeah.
Hmm. Now, Forte crosses me as somebody who would milk it for as long as possible.
You can't hear it though, but yeah. I agree.
PD from EMS.
Go for PD.
Who's the highest ranking officer on duty right now?
Hmm.
Sky and myself. Can I get you to meet with me at the hospital, please? Thank you. Lever 2376 TMC 147.
Chat. Compliance check time. Wide load time. Where's Patty? That is the most wonky fucking palm tree. Hmm.
EMS from 113. I am 23. Where'd you need me at? Oh.
Chat, once they see me, it's too late anyways.
171-1038 westbound Adams Apple Boulevard with a purple in color tow truck.
Ooh. Is the Aura, is it like a light, like a lavender?
Affirm, it is a lavender.
Is it Beatrice as the owner?
Uh-huh.
Affirm. Nothing bad to say about Beatrice, to be clear. I was just curious because I ran the plate of that earlier.